Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English words, one at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an exciting and creative word, architect. This word is a noun, and it refers to a person who designs buildings. Whether you're fascinated by skyscrapers, cozy homes, or innovative structures, an architect is the brilliant mind behind it all. An architect doesn't just create blueprints. They bring dreams to life by planning and designing spaces where people live, work, and play. For example, the architect of this school made sure the classrooms had plenty of natural light. Isn't that inspiring? If we're talking about synonyms, we could use designer, planner, or builder in certain contexts. Let's try these in sentences. The designer of this modern house won an award for creativity. Or, as the lead planner, she had to ensure the entire project stayed on budget. Each of these words highlights a different aspect of an architect role. On the other hand, let's explore some antonyms. While not exact opposites, words like destroyer or demolisher might give you an idea of contrasting actions. For instance, the demolisher took down the old building to make way for something new. Notice how these words highlight the difference between creating and taking apart. In everyday life, you might hear people talk about an architect in various ways. For example, we're hiring an architect to redesign our office, or she's an architect with a focus on sustainable buildings. The word is not only specific, but also incredibly versatile, as it can even be used metaphorically. For instance, he's the architect of his own success, meaning he designed or created the path to his achievements. Now, let's use architect in a few more sentences. The architect sketched the initial design for the new museum. Becoming an architect requires years of study and practice. The firm's head architect specializes in blending tradition with modernity. Each of these examples shows how essential this role is in shaping the spaces around us. That's all for today's episode on architect. Remember, it's not just a job title. It's a word that symbolizes creativity, planning, and innovation. If you enjoyed learning about this word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show and join our growing community of English learners. I'd love to hear your sentences using architect, so share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word.